Tiny paws on the window, whiskers pressed to the glass, eggs lined up on the table. You inspect every basket and grass. Little queen of the ribbon pile, crown of tissue on your head. You parade down the hallway carpet like it's your runway, you're red. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation, strutting past the pastel decorations, tail up high, heart in celebration. You're the star of every egg sensation. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation, every step a soft vibration. You turn this quiet house occasion into a purring, fluffy celebration. Cardboard boxes your castle, paper chicks are your crew. You sit proud in the center while we clap and bow to you. Hey! The jelly beans keep rattling. You swat one off the plate, then curl up in your Easter basket like you planned this perfect day. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation, strutting past the pastel decorations, tail up high, heart in celebration. You're the star of every egg sensation. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation, every step a soft vibration. You turn this quiet house occasion into a purring, fluffy celebration. You don't need a script, you improvise. One slow blink and we all realize the show is love wrapped in fur and light. You bow once, then sleep through the night. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation, strutting past the pastel decorations, tail up high, heart in celebration.